Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with another updo style that I did on myself. My hair is now shoulder long, and for this style I'm starting with a middle parting. So just try to make a neat line in the middle of your crown hair, and then I'm taking from the ear a part of the hair away. So from the ear to the middle parting, I just clip this portion away. I do exactly the same thing on the other side. Clip it away, and then from the middle parting down the neck. And I do two low ponytails, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side, like two pigtails. I'm using clear elastics because they are less seen, quite close to each other. And then I'm taking out the clip from the right hand side. I back comb my hair using some leave-in conditioner to smooth the hair out, and I'm doing 3 equal strands and braiding them into a Dutch braid. Should reach the other side. Then I'm tying it off with a clear elastic, and then I do exactly the same thing on my left hand side, also using the leave-in conditioner. 3 strands, right goes under the middle, left goes under the middle, then right goes under the middle, left goes under the middle. This is how you do regular Dutch braid. Just braid long enough to reach to the other ponytail on the opposite side. If you never have been braiding your own hair, this will be a bit practice to get used to it, but you will see it's not that hard. Then tie it into a little ponytail. I just tie it together, clip one braid away, and before I'm bringing the end of the braid over the ponytail by opening it a bit, I just widen the braid a bit. You see, you can adjust it even later, make it a bit more visible. These are the 2 braids. You can leave it like it is, you can pancake it like I do it here to make the braid better seen. You can leave 2 pigtails, or you separate the 2 ponytails into 3 more or less equal strands and start to braid them also into a Dutch braid. Then I take the loose ends, tie them together with a clear elastic, and I roll it up so that the end of this ponytail is hidden, and pin it into place. When there are clear elastics annoying you because they are visible, then you can just cut them off because everything holds now good in place, or you put a clip over some accessory. This is our final result of the style. I hope you like it, and see you back soon. Bye bye.